Morning. Now welcome to Flannel Hill Farm. It's actually morning. Ugh. It's probably 7 something. It's a little chilly out here. It's that wet or moist air. That moist air gets me. It just chills me. Okay, so yesterday we got about halfway done with that bottom side, and then we decided that we should go into town and order the trusses and get some. We supposed to do like 4 different things, and we got 2 of them done. So we went and we got a quote on metal, which I think is a really good quote. Sorry, I'm filling up the Berkey. We got a really good quote on metal, I think. And that was for all of our roofing and siding. And then we were supposed to go do the trusses, which we did. But then the metal and the trusses took us so long that we weren't able to go to the restore, and we weren't able to get more of the things that Big K keeps talking about. I don't even want to say them. I don't even want to say it. We were gonna get more wood chips for in the pathways between the beds, but it didn't work out, so, and I'm struggling. I haven't had nothing to eat or drink yet today. I haven't really been eating until like lunchtime, but sore, very sore. So probably, I don't know, more T-post pounding and augering, using the auger. I don't know how you say that. Big K and I have tried to figure it out, and it just doesn't sound right either way, so I don't know. Alright, well, Big K now has coffee water, so, my abs from pulling down on that pounder hurts. They hurt. I'm sure Big K's back is just killing him. Because what's been happening is that T-post pounder is about 70 pounds-ish. And so Big K lifts it up at an angle, and I angle the T-post down after we get it where we think we want it. And then we try to, we lean it back up. So he's following it, and I'm leaning a T-post back up after stretching out. And then we start pounding, and once we get it to the point where it's stuck in the ground, then I grab on, and I use everything I got to try to pull it down. And my abs. So, let's see if we can talk about the garden, or if we are just beat out of the garden for a while. Well, it looks like they're not here yet. So, I don't want to disturb them because I haven't put very many pollinator things out. So if they're going to be here, I want them to be here. So we have, can you see that? Cantaloupe. There's a cantaloupe. Very exciting. So we have a cantaloupe. They're hard to see until they get kind of big because I screwed up. So, just so you know, I would give melons, the squash family, and sweet potatoes a lot more room than what I did. Just saying. I thought my little walkways, they would follow it down the walkway. They've just jumped over them. So, oh, right here. My watermelons are getting kind of a neck on them. I don't know what's up with that, but see the watermelon? Very cool. They might look a little funny, but I don't know if you can tell, but I'm turning the melons. That is so that they don't get that flat, rotty spot on the side that they're sitting on. So if every time you look at them, you just rotate them a little bit, they don't get that white spot. Wow. Good morning, y'all. There's one in here. I don't know if I can get at it to show you, but oh, there's one right here. Look at this. See, now this one doesn't have that funky neck on it. There's one in there. It's a little lighter green. We're doing good, y'all. Oh, my word. Hi, KK. You helping? Are you helping? There's a little cantaloupe there, and a little cantaloupe there. We're doing good. We're doing good. Our potatoes are rocking. Yeah, we're doing good. Potatoes are rocking. Beans, I guess Bentley's not out here, so I should really look at the beans. Ooh. Really? Oh. My body's like, you're not doing this again to me. Beans look like they're coming along. Lots of flowers on them now. Cucumbers. Every day there's another flower with another little cucumber thing on it. Yeah, they're coming along. Coming along, coming along. Wow. Yeah, see this? So the cucumbers have kind of stayed in their own lane a little bit. But then if you look, like, this is just insane. Okay, Lonnie, you stay over here. It's just crazy. Like, this lane doesn't even have anything in it. Like this one here. So all of that is just spillage. And this one doesn't have anything either. This was carrots and nothing grew here. And so this is all just spillage. This is insane. So yeah, next year, this all needs more room. I don't know how I'll do that, but, oh, and the bees have moved in already. So spaghetti squash, they're coming in. See right here. I could show you a little one here, right there. Times this little baby. But they're coming in. I gotta be watching my zucchini because I think my zucchini's getting about to where Big K likes it. Oh no, can you see that big green one in there? I think Big K's gotta come out here and see how these look. Nope, that got wet. Wow. Wow, y'all. All right, Mr. B, I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. Crazy. Wow. So, that's the garden. Now, I don't know, can you see? Half of that is done down there to the pole here. We just have to do the rest of it. So, I think we counted, yesterday we did like 19 posts and we only have about 16 left. So I think I will probably go down there pretty quick and I will measure them out and then we can get an exact number and we'll know how many we have to do. Hey KK, hey Lenny, come. And then we'll know what we need to do and then we can figure out how far we want to go today. KK, what are you doing? What are you doing, Kiki Lenny? Oh. It's a little too chilly for me out here right now. It's a part of Missouri that I'm still kind of getting used to. So most of my Missouri experience as a child, my grandparents lived down here in different places, and I had some family in St. Louis. But I was there like in the heat of the summer. So there was no like cooler in the morning and then I was like switching clothes. It was more like just hot. So I'm not quite used to this yet. And so it's just get up and I think it's gonna be hot, but it's not. So, that's where Mom's gonna be. Mom will be right over there. Alright, on your way back down the hill, if you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that little bell notification, and do something that makes you smile today. Smiling is a good thing. And I'll let you guys go before this turns into something. I appreciate y'all.